Hello everyone, this is your boy KOSB Finance, and I want to welcome you to my channel and welcome to the community of progressive people and market milkers. All right, happy new year to everyone, and if you're new to this channel, I advise and want you to subscribe to this channel. Yeah, in this channel all we do is win. All right, so as the host, I definitely have your back. And if you want to be part of the community, the first thing you need to do is subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click the bell button, and also click to join our Telegram group. Here is the link. All right. Also, if you want to join our free trading course, or you want to do or you want to gain access to free indicators that I use for my trading, this is the link. All right, this is something that I advise everyone to actually do. All right, it's necessary that you take part in the free course. Is necessary you take part of the free course so that you can actually know the basics of trading. All right, so and if you want to reach out to me, you can actually do that on WhatsApp. Here's the link. All right, so each of this link you have here can be accessible in the description below. All right, so just go to the description below and you'll see each of these links right there. So I'll be expecting to see each and every one of you in each of these sections. All right, so quickly jumping into the reason why the video is being created is the weekly chart for the first week in the month of January. All right, so now on the forex market, what I'm actually looking at or looking out for is I'm looking at basically three markets. That is the GBP card, the card Swiss, and the Australian dollar against the dollar. All right, so those are the three markets that I am looking at. All right, so I'm going to be showing you how I intend trading these markets. All right, how I intend trading these markets, and this is how I will be doing it throughout the year. I'm going to be giving a weekly market review. All right, at the beginning of the week, I'm going to be giving a market review. All right, on how I will be looking at the market or the markets that I'll be focusing on, so that you can also on your own look at those markets, and I'll be showing you how I intend entering those markets. All right, and how I intend taking my profit. All right, so it's going to be a profitable year for every one of us. So I advise that you stay tuned to this channel, hit the subscribe button, and also be part of the family. All right, so now the first one is the GBP card. Now you see that the GBP card here, you see that it's been in a long downtrend, but all of a sudden you can see that the market started plummeting up. All right, now if you go to the daily chart, you realize that the GBP card is still in the downtrend, but presently we are in the form of a pullback. Yes, I will call it a pullback. So I'm just trying to maximize the pullback on the 4-hour chart now. All right, you can see the market pushed up, then add a retest right here. You can see that it's oversold on the RSI, so you can see it plummeting up right here. So do not forget that this is a downtrend, so try not to be caught up in expecting that the market will just push higher and continue higher. No, this market is a downtrend, but we're only trying to maximize this little pullback right here. All right, this is a pullback. So what I'm going to be doing, this is a 4-hour chart, so I'll just be going to my 15 minutes, and what I'm expecting to see in my 15 minutes chart. All right, let me just give this a little bit time to load. All right, yes, this is it. So what I'm expecting in my 15 minutes chart is this. I was supposed to have entered right here. All right, this is where I was supposed to have entered. Yeah, but I guess I missed that, so I'm just going to wait for the market to push higher a bit, then have another retest, and the next retest I'll wait for it to come back to my oversold. You can see that at this point where I've entered, it's oversold. All right, so that's it. And you can see this is the trend line. This is our trend line right here. You can see. So I'm just going to wait for market to push higher, then come back and retest this trend line, and the corresponding point where it's retesting this trend line, I want it to correspond with the RSI on the oversold level. Yeah, just below this 32. Yeah, so the moment it touches 32 and it corresponds with this line, I place my buy, then that's my entry. All right, so then for the card Swiss, all right, the card Swiss on the 4-hour chart, you can see is also a downtrend. All right, it's also a downtrend, and you can see that it's oversold, it's overbought right here. So this tells me that the market is going to be pushing down very soon. So I'll be going to my 15 minutes chart again for my entry. Remember, 15 minutes is for your entry. Your signal could be on any higher time frame. Yeah, but I always go to the lower time frame, maybe 15 minutes or 5 minutes, to look for my entry. All right, so you can see that the price is still maintaining this resistance right here. You can see it has tested this point several times. You can see several times. So what I'm actually waiting for, I'm waiting for price to push downwards and drop below this 200 EMA, which is this white line. All right, so when price drops below this 200 EMA, this white line, and then I'll just wait for price to drop below that. Once price drops below this moving average, then I wait for a retest back to the overbought region, which is this 28. All right, so I'm basically looking for something like this. Let me just show you guys. I'm looking for something like this. All right, so maybe something like this. All right, so at this level where it corresponds with an overbought is where I'll place my sell entry. Then you just ride the waves downwards. All right, so that's that. Then the last but not least is the Australian dollar. All right, the Australian dollar. All right, you can see that my Australian dollar is being in it's been in a very strong downtrend. You can see the Australian dollar against the dollar, against the US dollar, is been in a very strong downtrend. But as it seems, we might be having a little bit of a pullback to the upside. If I go to my daily charts, you'll see that it's still in a downtrend. Let me just give this a little bit time to load. All right, okay, all right, now you can see that it's still in a downtrend. Just here, it's still in a downtrend right here. All right, so what I'm going to be doing is since it's a pullback I'm trading, I'm just going to be extra careful. I'm not going to be trading for too long. I'm just going to be looking for maybe a short trade, not scalping now, just an intraday trade. All right, that I shouldn't be spending more than maybe an hour or two on that particular trade. So now you can see that here it has touched the oversold level here. So I'll just go to my 15 minutes for my entry, and let me just wait for this to load a bit. All right, so what I'm expecting is that okay, the market will just do something like what I explained on the card Swiss. Remember, just something like this. So I just wait for a confirmation. I wait for the market to just push a bit higher. That is, I want it to move above this 200 EMA. All right, so once it moves above this, like this, I'm waiting for something like this. Then I want something like this to happen. All right, then at this level, when price has touched the 32, all right, then this is where I'll place my entry. Yes, when price has come back to retest this oversold level, I place my buy, then I enter, then I take the profit. All right, so I'll be taking profit when price touches the overbought level here. That is when price, after entering around here or on this oversold level, I wait for price to go overbought, then I exit the market. So that's that on what I'm expecting for this week. All right, on the forex chart. So don't forget to be part of the family, and do not forget to also return back here every week. All right, because I'm going to be doing this every week for you guys. So do not forget, if you want the free course and also the free indicator, the link is in the description below, and you can also reach out to me on this WhatsApp number also. And you could also join our Telegram group, which I advise you to, because from time to time we share other charts like the volatility indices and other forms of questions that have been asked in Telegram group to make everyone to be a better trader. So it's a community where you meet with other traders and you can perfect your trading and be profitable. So I'll see you guys next week in the next video. Take care and bye for now.